If you want to be younger looking in your 70s, say goodbye to these 8 daily habits. What if the secret to looking younger in your 70s didn't lie in expensive creams or cosmetic procedures, but in your daily habits? Many of the choices we make, like skipping sunscreen or skimping on sleep, quietly age us over time. By identifying and eliminating these behaviors, you can set yourself up for a healthier, more vibrant future. Curious about what habits might be accelerating the clock? Here are 8 daily routines you should ditch if you want to age gracefully.
One, smoking.
There's no denying the harmful effects of smoking on your overall health. And when it comes to aging, smoking can be your worst enemy. Smoking not only damages your internal organs, but also accelerates the aging process of your skin. It leads to premature wrinkles and a dull complexion, making you look much older than you are. Consider this. When you see someone with wrinkled, pale skin, your first guess would be that they're quite old. But often, it's a result of heavy smoking. So, if you want to maintain that youthful appearance into your 70s, it's time to say goodbye to those cigarettes. It might not be easy to quit, but believe me, the rewards are worth the struggle. And it's never too late to start living a healthier lifestyle.
Two,
neglecting sunscreen. I can't stress enough how important it is to protect your skin from the sun. For years, I didn't take it seriously. I thought my skin was invincible and a little sun wouldn't hurt. But boy, was I wrong. I noticed that my skin started looking dull and leathery in my 30s. And by the time I hit 40, fine lines and spots started appearing. It was a wake-up call. The sun's harmful UV rays can cause significant damage to the skin, leading to premature aging and even skin cancer. No matter how young or old you are, your skin needs protection from the sun. Now, I make sure to apply sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. And trust me, it has made a world of difference. My skin feels healthier and more radiant. Three, excessive sugar intake. Sugar might taste sweet, but its effects on your skin are anything but. Consuming too much sugar can lead to a process called glycation, where the sugar in your bloodstream attaches to proteins, forming harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs damage collagen and elastin, the protein fibers that keep skin firm and elastic. Once damaged, the skin becomes dry and brittle, leading to wrinkles and sagging. And did you know? People who consume more sugar have noticeably more wrinkles than those with a low sugar intake. Reducing your sugar intake now can help you maintain a youthful look well into your 70s. So next time you reach for that candy bar, think about your skin. It might just be the motivation you need to make healthier choices.
Four,
lack of sleep. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to maintaining a youthful appearance, but it's actually one of the most important factors. Ever noticed those dark circles and puffy eyes after a night of poor sleep? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Consistently missing out on quality sleep can accelerate the aging process. It's during sleep that your body repairs and rejuvenates itself. Without enough sleep, this restoration process is hampered, leading to dull skin, fine lines, and an overall aged appearance. So, if you're burning the midnight oil or binge watching your favorite show until the wee hours, it's time to reconsider. Getting a good night's sleep is an investment in your health and appearance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night and watch as your skin thanks you with a youthful glow.
Five.
Stress. We all experience stress. It's a part of life. But how we handle it can make a huge difference in how we age. Stress can take a severe toll on your body, speeding up the aging process. It can cause premature wrinkles, dull skin, and even hair loss. I've seen loved ones go through challenging times, and the physical changes that came with constant stress were heartbreaking. Their once vibrant faces seem to age overnight. That's why it's crucial to find healthy ways to manage stress. Be it yoga, meditation, reading, or even just spending time with loved ones. Find what works for you. It's not just about looking younger in your 70s. It's about feeling younger too. Because at the end of the day, a peaceful mind reflects on a peaceful face. Six. Dehydration. Drinking enough water each day is crucial for many reasons. It helps maintain your body's fluid balance, aids digestion, and most importantly, keeps your skin hydrated and youthful. I used to be one of those people who forgot to drink water. I'd only remember when I felt thirsty, which is often too late. Your body is already dehydrated by that point. My skin looked dull, and I felt tired all the time. Once I started keeping a water bottle with me and setting reminders to drink water, things changed. My skin looked healthier, and I felt more energized. So, if you're not drinking enough water each day, it's time to start. Your skin will thank you for it, and you'll see the difference. Seven. Sedentary lifestyle. Exercise is not just about losing weight or building muscles. It's also about maintaining a youthful appearance. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain, poor circulation, and a host of health issues. In turn, this can speed up the aging process. Regular exercise, on the other hand, can improve blood circulation, boost collagen production, and give your skin a healthy, vibrant glow. It can also help reduce stress and improve sleep, both important for slowing down the aging process. So whether it's a brisk walk around the block, a yoga session, or hitting the gym, make sure to incorporate some form of exercise into your daily routine.
Eight.
Alcohol consumption. Alcohol can have a significant impact on your skin's health and appearance. It dehydrates the skin, dilates the blood vessels, and over time can lead to redness, puffiness, and an aged look. Furthermore, excessive alcohol consumption is linked to various health issues that can indirectly contribute to aging. So, if you're serious about maintaining a youthful appearance in your 70s, it's wise to limit your alcohol intake. This doesn't mean you have to give up social events or enjoying a glass of wine at dinner completely. Moderation is key. It's all about making conscious choices for your health and well-being. Thank you for your watching.